document file in Photoshop. Yeah, this image is perfect. We are going to use this image for retouch. Now open the Google Chrome. Copy this link and paste it. We are going to install Skin Finer plugin in our computer. Download the zip file. When it's done, open the download folder. Right here are our zip file, and right click and extract the file. Now we have two folders, 64 and 86. Make sure your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. This is perfect, so I am using 64-bit. Open the folder and right click and install the setup. Okay, next, accept, next. And finish. Yeah. Now open the crack folder and copy this file and go to the computer and C drive, program files, and search Skin Finer folder and right click and paste and replace. Now Skin Finer is installed in our Photoshop. Now copy this layer and unlock the background layer and rename it before and after. Now select the after layer and go to the filter, and you will show photo toolbox and then Skin Finer. Open it. So Skin Finer plugin, it will look like this. I'm going to adjust the screen. Now you can see the difference between image before and after. So this is perfect. They have many options: vertical, horizontal. I am going to use vertical now. So we have already preset, so you can choose one of them as per your requirement. You can see the difference between before and after. So we have, there are 3 accordion skin mask, so we can adjust the tolerance, feather, opacity, and you can add details. So I'm going to change some details. You can change skin tone. I'm going to adjust some tone, so you can adjust as per your requirement. So this is the plugin you can use and apply instantly. You can see the difference. When it's done, click OK. It will automatically apply in after layer. You can see the before after. The skin is very pretty and cool. So this is the tutorial. If you like, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.